Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the iPad. Update to the latest iPad OS and sign in with your primary Apple ID that has iCloud Plus and two-factor authentication enabled. Once done, connect to fast Wi-Fi and plug the iPad into power so large on-device models can download without interruption. Then go directly to Settings and look for the Apple Intelligence or On-Device Intelligence section. This is where installation begins. Make sure storage shows enough free space before proceeding with downloads and model activation. Next, enable Apple Intelligence from Settings. Turn on the On-Device Intelligence or Apple Intelligence toggle and allow system prompts for Siri, search, and app suggestions. You'll also grant permissions: microphone for voice, photos for image understanding, and files for document analysis, so intelligence features can operate across apps. Then tap to download the recommended language and generative models. These can be large, so watch the progress meter. Once model downloads finish, the system will index locally stored content to provide faster, private results. Finally, verify everything by testing Apple Intelligence in Notes, Mail, and Photos. Ask a question, summarize a document, or ask for image descriptions to confirm functionality. If something fails, first reboot the iPad, free at least several gigabytes of storage, and reset your Wi-Fi or toggle airplane mode to retry downloads. If downloads still won't complete, sign out and back into your Apple ID or remove, and re-add the intelligence models in Settings. For persistent problems, collect screenshots and reach out to Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.